Welcome to Section 3 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, Advanced YouTube Marketing Strategies. In this section, we'll talk about the YouTube Partner Program, live streaming with YouTube, smart ways to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, how to get YouTube videos ranked, using the YouTube trending feed for market research, and YouTube for developers. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. YouTube Partner Program. YouTube is a great platform for growth because it has something in store for everybody. And it is also a place where marketers, content creators, and developers can earn a good deal of money by way of video advertising revenue. The good thing is that YouTube has created a win-win situation for everyone involved because monetization has forced content creators as well as advertisers to only serve the best class of content possible. And audiences benefit from getting quality content. We already showed you how advertisers can take advantage of the YouTube platform to promote their videos. And now, we are going to show you how YouTube allows content creators and marketers to monetize the content that they upload to the platform. The YouTube Partner Program is what will enable you to earn ad revenue from showing ads on your video content. Anyone can upload videos to YouTube, and ads will be shown on basically all videos throughout the YouTube platform. But only those that sign up for the Partner Program can actually earn money from those ads. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is easy, but you will need to qualify. The first step is to check if you're from a country where the Partner Program is available. You can check this list by going to the YouTube Help Center and accessing the YouTube Partner Program menu. Follow the Introduction to the YouTube Partner Program link and then click on YouTube Partner Program Availability, where you will be able to check a list with all the countries where the Partner Program is available. Once you have made sure that you are eligible for monetization, go to YouTube's front page and click on your account icon on the top right corner and then enter the Creator Studio. From there, go to the Channel tab on the left side menu and then to the Status and Features section. Once there, look for the monetization box and click on Enable. You will need to follow a series of steps to apply for monetization. So let's show you all the way through. The first step is to read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms by clicking on Start. Read the YouTube Partner Program terms document, check the 3 agreement boxes, and then hit Accept. Now the second step is to sign up for AdSense, which is Google's ad program for publishers. You need to create a new AdSense account in order to be paid on the Partner Program. Let's begin by clicking on Start. You will be redirected to AdSense so you can link your channel to an existing AdSense account if you have one, or to create a new AdSense account if you don't have one. So click on Next to proceed. In the following screen, click on Sign In to log into your Google account, which you're going to use to set up your new AdSense account. The next step is to select the website for your AdSense account. Because you are going to use your YouTube videos to show AdSense ads, this website will be your channel's URL by default. So you will only need to select the language and then click on Save and Continue to proceed. Now you will need to enter your information. You will have to specify your country or territory, your time zone, your account type, your name and address, and your AdSense email preferences. Then click on Submit My Application. In the next step, verify your phone number by text message or voice call, and then read and accept the AdSense terms and conditions by reading the terms document, checking the Yes, I have read and accept the agreement box, and clicking on Accept. Okay, so now that your AdSense account request has been submitted, you'll have to set monetization preferences so you can specify what types of ads to run on your videos, so you can start making money as soon as your channel is approved for monetization. So click on Start to set this up. You can activate or deactivate monetization on all your future videos and to select what types of ads to show on your videos. Display ads will be shown by default and cannot be deactivated, but you could turn on or off overlay ads, sponsored cards, and skippable video ads. Make your selection and click on Save. And that's it. That is how you can join the YouTube Partner Program to start making plenty of ad revenue with your content and marketing videos. Keep in mind that your channel will need to reach a total of 10,000 public views in order to get reviewed by the monetization team to check that you're complying with YouTube's monetization policies. Premium tools and services to consider. Every expert needs a toolbox to help him or her into making the best out of their expertise, and YouTube marketing experts are no exception. But coming up with a really useful YouTube marketing toolbox is a really daunting task that requires lots of trial and error. And that is why we are going to show you the best tools and services available to YouTube marketers with a curated list of tools that you can use to get ahead of your competition without having to deplete your budget and time while trying every tool in the market until you find the best ones, because we already did it for you. Birdsong YouTube Analytics. Birdsong's amazing analytics tool is a kind of tool that you need to automate your competitor spying tasks. Competitive analysis is important to apply on any YouTube marketing campaign because it will allow you to identify what is working best for top marketing channels. Having this information at hand will help you to better engage with your visitors, and also would teach you proven ways to better attract new viewers by reverse engineering what has worked for many other successful YouTube marketers. The Birdsong YouTube Analytics tool will give you access to over 30 types of metrics in easy-to-read tables and charts to analyze account data that will allow you to check the number of views, likes, and comments that your most successful competitors are getting on their videos, and to get a data analysis report that you can use on your offline research. What this all means is that it will allow you to know the best times to upload videos in order to get liked, the best days to upload certain types of videos, the best times to upload and get comments, to know how video duration affects engagement in certain niches, and which types of words are captioned the most, among many other metrics. Canva. We mentioned in our past videos in this training that there is a graphic design aspect to YouTube marketing that has to be approached with an artful eye, because catchy and attention-grabbing thumbnails are pretty much guaranteed to get lots of clicks to your videos on searches and on recommended video feeds. And the good news is that designing awesome-looking and high-converting thumbnails for your videos is a very easy process when you know the right tools to use, and Canva is our choice in that department, because Canva will allow you to use custom thumbnail templates that you can use to create your thumbnails in record time. Canva is a premium tool that will allow you to create amazing video images on a freemium model, which means that you can create and save your thumbnails for free, but you can also pay for professionally made templates and cards. DrumUp. Have you ever found yourself ready to post your awesome new marketing content on social media, and then you realize the enormous and time-consuming effort that you will have to put in towards posting it on each one of your social media channels? Even just thinking about it can be pretty intimidating, but we have found a solution to that with DrumUp, a social media automation tool that you can use to schedule your new videos to be promoted on your social media channels with a few clicks of your mouse. It will allow you to add multiple Twitter accounts, multiple Facebook accounts, and a LinkedIn account, and then to promote your marketing videos more effectively through its one-click schedule feature. Full Screen Media's End Cards template. Let's not forget about video annotations to get viewers to take action on your videos so you can get more likes and subscribers. And for that, we recommend you to use the End Cards template from Full Screen Media. This template offers you customizable calls to action that include a logo button, a subscribe button, and additional thumbnail image buttons that you can use to insert recommended videos the easy way. Welcome to Section 1 of our YouTube Marketing 3.0 video training, YouTube Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is YouTube all about, what YouTube can do for your business, shocking YouTube marketing facts to consider. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is YouTube all about? We're glad to tell you that we're going to talk about something that you'll just love. We're going to talk about YouTube and what makes it a great platform for everybody. And who doesn't know about YouTube? It is the second most popular and most widely visited website on the planet, and it is considered the place to go if you want to discover video content created by people from all walks of life. But what is it really? What is YouTube? YouTube is, at its very heart, a dedicated web-based video sharing platform for everybody to use. Yet YouTube has become so much more, thanks to the introduction of several features throughout the years that include light social functionality, as well as monetization for user-created content. YouTube got started as a simple video sharing website by 3 former PayPal employees, who were said to have had a hard time finding a way to upload short videos that had been shot at social gatherings. Its creators were also inspired by the difficulty that they had to find replays of popular broadcasts anywhere on the internet. It was launched in 2005 and quickly gained immense popularity among internet users. Such was its popularity that it was bought by Google for almost $2 billion the following year after its launch. What can you find on YouTube? YouTube is largely known as a place for watching videos online, and there you will find all types of video content that you can imagine. Whether you're looking for popular music videos, movie trailers, gameplay footage, sports broadcasts, and news, you will find it on YouTube, no matter where you are in the world. Media outlets, regular people, and content creators from all over the world can use the site to broadcast and publish their content, with videos such as concerts, sports events, live blogs, gaming tournaments, educational videos, documentaries, and live seminars can be uploaded and streamed on the platform. YouTube is such a popular video sharing website that users can even monetize their video content, thanks to YouTube's advertising sharing model for content creators, who are able to upload videos targeted at certain audiences, with some YouTubers making 6-figure incomes with original and curated content. What are YouTube's features? YouTube started as a niche site when it allowed users to create accounts on the site and upload simple everyday videos. But it quickly grew into a video sharing monster with awesome features including video playback. The most used feature on the platform is video playback, with over 1.5 billion monthly users visiting and playing videos on the site, vastly surpassing traditional TV when it comes to video consumption. Video uploads. YouTube allows all its users to upload videos of up to 15 minutes in duration, which has allowed a whole industry of video content creators to flourish on the platform. Live video streaming. One of the most hyped features on the platform is the ability that it gives users to broadcast live video streams on their channels, with a simple setup that doesn't require expensive equipment or extensive broadcasting knowledge. There is so much more to YouTube that you'll be simply amazed with. Stay tuned to discover the benefits that using YouTube can have for your business. YouTube walkthrough. So you already created your YouTube account, or perhaps you had one all along without being aware about it because you never tried to sign into YouTube while your Gmail session was open, and now you're ready to start uploading some cool marketing videos. You've probably used YouTube before to watch videos, but YouTube goes well beyond that feature, and there are lots of buttons and tabs that you might not have used yet. In this video, we are going to show you every function available on YouTube's front page. Let's start by taking a look at the picture icon in the top right corner to revisit the functions available there when you click it. There, you have the Creator Studio button, which allows you to manage, check, and edit your video content. And we're going to take you through a deeper look into this feature on a following video. Next up is the YouTube Settings button, where you can manage your account settings. You can use the Add Account button in here to add additional YouTube accounts to this shortcut, and the Sign Out button will allow you to log out of YouTube. Now, this bell icon button will show you notifications on the platform, such as when your videos receive comments or likes, when you have new subscribers, and when you have set reminders to watch video events, to name a few. The Upload button will allow you to upload your video content to the YouTube platform with a few clicks on your mouse. And depending on how you plan to do your marketing, this may perfectly be one of the buttons that you're going to use the most. YouTube features a standard search bar that you can use to search video content on YouTube by using specific video titles or keywords. Below the search bar, there are 3 video content feed tabs. The Home tab is the main tab, and in here, YouTube will recommend you video content based on the type of videos that you watch or create on the platform. The Trending tab features videos that are trending on YouTube at the moment, and the Subscriptions tab will show you the most recent videos from the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the site and you will find some buttons that will allow you to edit some of your site preferences. Let's take a look at these buttons from left to right, starting with the Language button, which allows you to switch between several languages for your user interface. The Content Location menu will give you the option to select the country from which to get videos on your feed. The default content location is the country of residence that you enter when you create your account, but you can change it later using this menu if you want to view more content from different countries. The Restricted Mode menu will prevent videos with inappropriate content or videos that have been tagged as such by other users from appearing on your video feed. It is set as off by default, but you can turn it on and back to off when needed. The History button will take you to a page where you will be able to check a history of your viewed videos. Here, you will be able to check your watch history, as well as your search history. Clicking on the Help button will display a pop-up window to quickly access YouTube's Help page, which is an incredible resource to check if you ever need to. Let's lastly check the menu on the top left corner. From here, you will be able to access your YouTube User Options menu. First, you have the Home tab, which will simply take you back to the YouTube dashboard when you click it. The My Channel tab will take you to your YouTube channel, and we will teach you step by step how to create your own YouTube channel in the following video. The Trending tab will take you to the Trending Video section, and the Subscription tab will take you to your subscriptions page. The Library menu features 3 tabs. The first one is the History tab, which will take you to your viewed videos history so you can check which videos you have watched previously. The Watch Later tab will take you to a page where you can watch videos that you have marked as Watch Later. This is a useful feature because it allows you to save a video so you can watch it later when you're pressed for time. You can save videos this way by hovering over a video on the video feed and clicking on the clock icon. Doing so will save your Watch Later video on the Watch Later section. The Liked Videos tab will show you a collection of your liked videos. You can like a video by clicking on the like button below a video while you're watching it. The Subscriptions menu will show you a list of the YouTube channels that you are subscribed to. This menu will appear empty when your YouTube account is new, because you haven't added any channel to your subscriptions up to that point. You can use the Add Channel and the Browse Channel buttons to find channels to subscribe to, which will be added to this menu later. You can also subscribe to a YouTube channel while you're watching a video by clicking on the Subscribe button below the video. Doing so will add that channel to your subscriptions list, which you can access either through the Subscription tab below the search bar or through the Subscription menu on the left. As you can see, navigating your YouTube user dashboard gives you access to a lot of nice features that you might not have noticed before watching this video. And we recommend you to keep experimenting with them later, because on our next video, we are going to show you all that you need to know about YouTube channels.